Journaling prompt. Describe your morning in detail. While my weekend mornings can vary, my weekday mornings now have a fantastic structure and order that is helping me thrive. I'm a morning person, and getting up early has never been a challenge for me. So my days begin at 6 a.m. with my alarm telling me it doesn't care how cold it is. I have to get out of my warm bed and start doing things. I swing my legs out of bed, slide my feet into my wading slippers, and make my way to the bathroom. The next stop is my office/living closet so that I can change into my gym clothes and brush my hair into a bun. It's an absolute certainty that I've been listening to music this whole time because I'm totally the type of person who thinks her morning routine should have a soundtrack or be scored like a movie. But mostly because it helps get me going and puts me in a good mood. So I'll bounce my chipper self down the stairs, grab my car keys, Beats earbuds, and rush to the car to warm it up and turn on the seat warmers to try to make things as pleasant as possible for my not at all a morning person husband, who will be nonverbal for a few more hours, but clearly communicates that it's too early, too cold, and he'd rather be asleep. But he's in the car, so off to the gym we go. I love going to the gym first thing in the morning. It's so nice to get it done and out of the way. Then I have the whole rest of my day to not think about it. I also think that it's only fair to credit the endorphins that are released for doing their part in starting my day off well. I'm sure I'm just a naturally happy person, but they're probably helping. I always start with cardio, then make my way around the various machines to work different parts of my body on different days. After our hour is complete, we get back in the car for the short drive home. The fact that I've been working from home so far in 2022 has made the next part of my morning less rushed. Because once I'm back at home, I want to get cleaned up, go through my morning skincare routine. I'm in a grudge match with the blemishes on my jawline that I'm determined to win. Get dressed, then boot up my work computer so that I can clock in on time. I'll check my emails, give myself a quick overview of the day's workload, send a chatty good morning to my coworkers via Hangouts, take a quick break to scramble some eggs, then start my workday. And that's a typical weekday morning for me.